helping my parents out on this one. This is their deck. They're selling this house, moving up north to, it sort of was a cottage, but it's become a permanent residence. So this is very weathered. I actually cleaned it already with a cleaner, and this is the result after cleaning it. So we're going to use the Deck Restore product and paint it. So some areas that need fixing. That tree has definitely grown over the years, and it has pushed up the deck, causing a little bit of an issue there. So we're going to take up most of that area. We're also going to take out this fence and just leave the back fence with the gate there. And this will just be a step down then around the tree. And then in addition, I'm probably going to take off all of the railing. It wasn't needed for code or anything. It's only a step down. So it's really an unnecessary thing, and I think it'll open up the deck. The railing needs quite a bit of work. If we leave it, I would have to paint it as well, and it's just not worth the effort. So I think it's better to take it down. Back here, there's quite a bit to clean up. He would put his grass clippings in this little area he made, and then like scoop them out every couple weeks, every month, once a month or so during summer.
I could have taken a sledgehammer and just destroyed the boards and not cared, but I felt like I wanted to salvage them because they were in fairly decent intact condition. Some of them just needed like maybe 4 or 6 inches cut off the bottom. With the fence down, I now moved on to taking the boards off the deck to get it back to a spot where it's more level. I also needed to save many of these boards to reuse for the skirting and other areas of the deck to repair places. I don't know if it was the blade, although it was a brand new blade. The Sawzall just wasn't cutting through this area. The chainsaw is a Greenworks 16-inch bar electric saw, and it works really good. Obviously, it cut through the boards very quickly. I just tried to really make sure I wasn't hitting anything that was metal. Here I hit like a heavy stainless steel or some sort of heavy screw, and the saw just was burning up and not cutting through it. There was one cross joist that was secured with a joist hanger that I had to try to get the 1/2 off in order to be able to cut through the board and detach this section. This portion of the deck by the house had no supports under the deck boards, so I ran a 2x8 underneath it and then secured the boards to it to give it a little bit of structural rigidity. And you can see at the end how much more support it had. I'm attaching the fascia, and I'm using the existing boards that I had previously taken off to do this. This gives it the appearance of being consistent with the rest of the deck.
That's the area where the fence was before. The fence is now gone. The deck is rebuilt around the tree. That entire area where the old debris is going to be filled with wood chips all around the tree all the way to the deck. That's the new edge off the house and around by the tree. So quite a bit better than it was before. And again, that's going to be wood chips all the way up to that board.
Bye-bye.